Stop drawing in AutoCAD without Object Snap. This single setting can instantly improve the accuracy of every line, circle, and dimension you create. In fact, professional drafters use Object Snap on almost every command because it eliminates guessing and ensures precise drawing. Let me show you how to turn it on and explain each Object Snap option so you will know exactly when and where to use them. To enable Object Snap, press F3 on your keyboard or click the Object Snap button from the status bar. Now, let's see each Object Snap customized option for your understanding. At first, right-click on the Object Snap button and select Settings. This will open the Drafting Settings dialog box where you can choose which snap points AutoCAD will detect automatically. Another way is simply type OS on the command line and press Enter. The Drafting Settings dialog box will appear, where you will find all the same Object Snaps options. Now, let's start the line command and move the cursor over the circle. AutoCAD is automatically detecting the center point. Now, let's turn Object Snap off and start the line command again. As you can see, AutoCAD is no longer detecting the center point. In fact, it won't show any snap points such as center, midpoint, endpoint, intersections, or others. Let's turn Object Snap back on. Now the center point is visible again. As I move the cursor around the circle, AutoCAD also detects the quadrant points. In this way, it's showing another quadrant. It is endpoint, midpoint, nearest, again nearest. Object Snap has more options like intersection, perpendicular. Now let's check a perpendicular. Take a line again. See, it's showing perpendicular line in the box automatically. Here is more options like intersections or extensions. Take a line, start from here. It's showing perpendicular here. If I take a line from here, it's now showing extensions options. The best part is that you don't need to manually select these options every time. Simply move your cursor over the objects and AutoCAD will automatically display the available snap points to help you draw accurately. Now let's try drawing an arc. I'll click here and you can see AutoCAD detecting the intersection points. After selecting it, AutoCAD detects the endpoint. We have already seen some of the most commonly used Object Snap options: endpoint, midpoint, center, quadrant, intersection, perpendicular, nearest. These are the Object Snap options you will use most frequently in everyday AutoCAD drafting and significantly improve the accuracy of your drawing. That's it for Object Snap. Start using these snap points in your drawings and you will immediately notice the difference in accuracy and efficiency. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next AutoCAD Basic Settings tutorial.